What are you doing here?
Yeah. Look at you. Naomi J. Wagwan. Yard style. Meet Naomi J.
Not the person that I saw you the last time.
Nice to meet you.
So yard style. This female here was a challenge to me by Jamaica Walk By. Jamaica Walk By, me find Naomi J. In a supermarket. The place now. Okay. All right.
I'm coming back to get
All right, sexy, sturdy ass.
Sturdy.
Oh, this one not too bad. So this one is showing Naomi J. Naomi J, when we walk and we have to continue to big up yourself. Give yourself another shout out, please. Yeah. Hello, Princess. How are you doing today? All right. Cool.